Hi guys, Bosslady here, back with another video for you, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to draw your eyebrows. So firstly, what I do here is to apply some brow wax using a brow wand, just combing out the hairs on my brows and making it stand firmly, and then you just keep going by combing the brows with your brow wax and making them look neat. Right now I'm using an eye pencil. You could use a brown gel liner if you have one to fill in your brows, but if you don't, you can use an eye pencil to just outline the perimeters of your eyebrows. And you don't necessarily have to do this. If you have full eyebrows, you could just comb and conceal it still stands out either way. But if you have scanty eyebrows like I do, please make sure to fill it in with an eye pencil or a brown eyeliner. So now I'm just going to conceal my filled in eyebrow. The concealer is used for two things in relation to the eyebrow: to correct any crooked line and to make it well defined. There you go, you guys, how to draw your eyebrows tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe in case if you haven't done that yet, and hit the bell icon right beside it to get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. And if you have any questions whatsoever, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.